Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Valentines cave in Fish Game of Roblox New Valentines Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to go to the Heartfelt Island and then you're going to find this cave sign right here. The cave sign is near the Valentine's shop. Okay. You'll be able to see the sign and just follow the sign. We're going to go to the left side. Okay, and then we will find another sign. The sign is here. And we need to go to this way. Okay, this way. And there is the third sign. Okay. And just keep following the sign. It'll be here. Okay, and this is the cave, guys. This is the Heartfelt Cave. And just enter the cave, then you can fish here to get new secret fish. And in this area, you will be able to enchant your rod with the new enchant stone. Wait, I don't know what it is called. Let me check it. Alright, it's called Candy Enchant Stone, and you can get it from the Heartfelt Island. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the Valentine's Cave in Fish Game of Roblox Valentine's Update Part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!